So good morning, this is Brent. Today I'm hiking the segment 4 section of the Colorado Trail. I had to bail out on the end of segment 3 4 years ago because of a knee problem. And I'm glad to be back out here to finish this segment. It's about a 16.6 mile segment of the trail. Me and my wife set up a tent campsite about 3/10 of a mile past the end of this trailhead. So that's what I'm hiking back to. She's on her way driving back there now. Got somebody's house over here right off the trail. Pretty forest hike. Coming up on a sign here. Let's see what it says. 1776. They are clearing the forest. Coming up on some signs here. I believe this is for the Lost Creek Wilderness area in the Pike National Forest. Might have a sign-in sheet here where we can see permit if they have it. Oh, it's for overnight use only. Well, I went ahead and filled out a wilderness permit just in case something happens and I have to spend an unexpected night out here. Hopefully that won't happen. Well, I've hiked 3.2 miles so far. I'm at 9,375 feet. Started out at like 8,300, so about 1,000 foot elevation gain. We got a sign here. Okay, we got Colorado Trail, and then looks like a side trail, Payne Creek Trail number 637. Goes that way. We go this way. So far, it's been a really nice gradual incline. Nothing too steep. Just keep plodding along. Nice little stream crossing. If you need to filter water, that's a good spot to do it. And got some nice, pretty rock outcroppings. Alright, I'm about 7.7 miles in, about 9,800 some feet. Got a sign here. Looks like the Colorado Trail. It's going to go up this way. Yep. That's how we're going to go. Well, I'm about 7 miles from my starting point at the Rolling Creek Trailhead, 10,650 feet. That last push up that mountain takes it out of you. So I got about, 9 miles left to the end of this segment. 10 miles left, something like that. I've only seen one other hiker today so far. .3 miles into segment 4. Just had lunch and continuing on the trail. And look at those pretty mountains off in the distance from this trail. We're about to get in a real scenic part, I believe. Opens up. See that beaver dam down there. Show some of the rocks along the way here. Possibly mountain lion dens in those rocks. Got about 5 miles to go before I hit the end of this segment and the end of my day. Beautiful meadow. That rock wall there looks like some fun boulder scaling. Coming up on a whole pit. About 2 miles left till I'm done the segment 4. Show you some more rocks here. Got about 1.5 miles left before we get to the trailhead. It's pretty. Continental Divide over there. Beautiful. Got about 1 mile left to the trailhead. And of course, starting to sprinkle on me. Coming up on the end of the trail here. Gotta get down to the parking lot. I think this is trail junction. Let's see, what does this say? Park, there's a pass 14 miles that way. Took me about 7 hours to do that segment 4. So it's not too bad. I started at 8:30 this morning. It is 3:45. And here we are at the parking lot. Pick up Long Gulch Trailhead tomorrow.